can you solve this geometry challenge? Here's the question. Given this rectangle, now let's draw some segments like this. And these two segments divides the side of this rectangle into two equal parts. And now the question is, how much of this rectangle are shaded? So pause this video right now and see if you can answer this question, because I will show you the answer and the solution in 3, 2, 1. Alright, the answer to this question is 2/3 of this rectangle is shaded. And of course, the question is, how do we get the answer 2/3? And here's the solution. To answer this kind of question, our clue here is we have these segments that divides the side of our rectangle into two equal parts. So, in order to answer this very quick, what we're going to do is to draw one of its diagonal like this. And let's draw another segment that divides this diagonal. In short, we created 3 medians in this triangle, or simply half of our rectangle. And these 3 medians, the point of concurrency or the point of intersection is what we call the centroid. This is what we need to answer this question, because we have a lot of properties of a centroid. Now, the second one is, of course, we know that the centroid is the intersection of the 3 medians of any triangle. Now, the first property is this. The centroid is always found inside the triangle. Now, the third one is somewhat special because the centroid divides each median into 2 segments in the ratio of 2:1. And what we need, the property that we need to answer this question is the property number 4. So states that the 3 medians divide the triangle into 6 smaller triangles, all with the same area. So this is what we need to answer this question very quick. So now let's focus on this triangle. Now this triangle divides into 6 smaller triangles having the same area. So let's call the area as A. So we have here 6 A's. In short, the area of the whole triangle is 6A, and that is exactly half of this rectangle. So the other half is also 6A. Now, to find the shaded part, what we're going to do is to find the area of the shaded region. This is equal to 6A plus A plus A, or 8A, and divide this to the area of the whole rectangle, which is equal to 12A. So the shaded part simply equal to 8A over 12A. Now, this A cancel out, so this simplifies to 8 over 12, and if we simplify 8 over 12, this will give us 2 over 3, and that is our answer to this question. Therefore, given this figure, then the shaded part is 2/3 of our triangle. And as always, we are done.